Okay, students, today's video should be very short and sweet. Your work today is simply labeling the 4 kinds of sentences and then putting the correct end mark. All right, so here goes. Declarative sentences. This is the most common type of sentence. These sentences make a statement and they end with a period. Example, here are the answers to the questions you asked. Period. Interrogative sentence asks a question and ends with a question mark. How are you feeling today? Question mark. Exclamatory sentences show strong feeling and end with an exclamation point. Here's an example. Notice how it starts with the word how. How marvelous are thy works! Exclamation point. Remember this. Just because a sentence starts with the words how or what does not necessarily mean it's an interrogative sentence. Make sure that you read it to the end, because if it starts with how or what, it could be an interrogative sentence, but those are also fairly common starter words for exclamatory sentences. All right, final type of sentence, imperative sentence. Imperative sentences give a command or make a request. Remember, these two types of this type of sentence, an imperative sentence, giving a command or making a request, may end with 2 different types of marks. Imperative sentences may end with a period or an exclamation point, depending on the content of the sentence. Sentence here is start your homework before dinner, period. And, of course, the subject, as with all imperative sentences, is understood you. Who is to start your dinner? Work before dinner, you are. Final slide. Remember this, okay? Whether a sentence makes a statement ending with a period or shows strong feeling ending with an exclamation point, if the sentence's subject is understood you, it's giving a command or making a request, and its subject is understood you, that sentence must be labeled an imperative sentence if the subject is understood you. Work should be very short and sweet today, guys. Just take your time, make sure that you do put all those end marks after you label those sentences. Have a wonderful day.